What's up, everybody? My name is Trevor Hennon. You have made it to the Unturned Stones social media page. This page is up. How's it going, everybody? I am here with my mom, my sister, and my nephew, Carl. What's up, everybody? I'm hiking Dog Mountain today. What's going on, guys? I am jumping into one of the coldest springs in the Pacific Northwest, and I'm gonna What's going on, everybody? I am here with my loser friends hiking.
Yeah, well, I have one thing that you can only do to be on the vlog. It's like, yeah, you want to jump in freezing cold water? Yeah.
Here, and then the tip of Mount St. Helens is right there. To the top of this peak. We are struggling right now. I honestly have no words for how freezing it was. Jump in for 5. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate during this hike that, I'll be honest, I just had to stop and take a deep breath and just take it all in. Alright guys, so the next part of this video was actually filmed originally only for me. It's kind of me explaining to myself why I was leaving Oregon and why I was going to go pursue a new exciting journey for myself. Again, it wasn't really meant for YouTube or for anyone else to see, but after 7-8 months and watching it back, I thought maybe there's somebody out there that might find value in the things that I said in this video. So I'm gonna put it out there. So just take it for what it is. If even one person takes something from it, that'd obviously be great. So here it is, enjoy. So these are the things that I have learned during my 1 year in Oregon. For some people, some of this might be obvious, but for me, apparently I need to move 2,000 miles from home to find these things out about myself. The things that are important to me are structure, family, having a sense of community, which would fall within the family portion of that. A lot of people feel that the more freedom you have, the better you'll feel. Everybody wants to strive to gain the wealth or put themselves in a position financially to have as much freedom as possible. But I have found with myself, the more structure that I have, the more people that I have surrounding me that can keep me accountable for who I am is better. Something else I found, just considering where I live currently, I live in a place where you can be on a mountain skiing on a Wednesday morning, leave the mountain Wednesday afternoon, and be to the beach by Wednesday night and watch the sunset on the West Coast. But with all that said, there is no mountain that's nice enough, no sunset pretty enough on the coast, and no valley in between that will be able to replace the hole that I have in my life when my family is not near me. What else did I learn? I learned that just due to the nature of my job out here and the time off that I have, I had the opportunity to start something in the form of media, my YouTube channel, that I really enjoyed. I found somewhat of a passion, or I would call it more of a hobby, in being creative and kind of making my own brand. Whether it's successful or not, to me, I enjoy doing it, and that's what's important. But something I will say, it is a hobby to me. And while out here in Oregon, excuse me, I was 1 foot in on my hobby, which was my YouTube channel, and I was 1 foot in on my work. My work is something that I enjoy. I fix problems for people. I make processes better and more efficient. But again, 1 foot in, and I was 1 foot in on the relation. You only have 2 feet, but you know, I was half in on the relationships I was attempting to build out here, whether it be romantically or friendships, because of the fact that I was just half in on the other parts of my life. And I am at a point now where I am tired of that. I want to be all in on whatever my next chapter is. And I do not have the opportunity with who I am out here to do that. Someone's calling me. Yeah, so I want to get to a place in my life where I feel comfortable enough with those around me and the sense of community and structure around me that I want to set some roots and really bring myself to a place financially, mentally, and physically that I can thrive as a human, help others to succeed, bring myself up and everyone else around me. And out here, I cannot do that. I cannot do that for myself. Not being 1 foot in and 1 foot out. So that brings me to the decision: do I stay and try to make a life for myself here, where I have these opportunities, but I would have to go all in on something, whether it be work or my YouTube channel, or move home to more near my family, a new career path, something that excites me, something that will push me mentally, socially, and put me in a position financially to make some pretty big personal investments that I'd like to make, and ultimately, hopefully in a few years, be in a place where I can help others and just be a better version of myself, because being out here and living the way I am, although it does have its benefits, it can be extremely selfish. I live here for myself, and I think that due to that selfishness, it hasn't put me in the best place mentally. So by moving home and making these sacrifices, and to me, you could perceive me leaving this place that's beautiful and I have all these opportunities or things to see. It's like you might be able to look, oh, you're sacrificing these things, where to me you can change it up in your head, and you could say it's not a sacrifice. What I was sacrificing before was relationships and creating better and more, how do I put this, keeping my relationships at full strength with those that really matter to me. That's what I'm sacrificing by living here. I do my best, I keep in very solid communication with those that I love at home, but that's not good enough for me. And so I come to my decision of moving home. I'm no longer going to be 1 foot in and 1 foot out of anything. I'm all in on this next chapter of my life. I'm going to attack it with strength and with confidence, and I'm going to be the best version of myself, and nothing's going to stop me from that. I'm going to have a more positive outlook on every single day. I'm going to look at each opportunity that I have as just that, as an opportunity, and with a glass half full mentality. I get to do things. I don't have to do things. I get to get up early and go to the gym. I get to go to work. I get to make money. I woke up in the morning and I was awake. The day is good. I am with others. I am going to do my best to just see the world in a better light and set some roots and become the man that I'm supposed to be. And so I appreciate my time here in Oregon and the things that I have learned. I needed this. I needed to move out here and learn these things about myself and what's important to me. Structure, community, having a sense of purpose, Like I said, for others that might be easy to know about yourself, but for me, I have to find it out. I had to put myself through this to learn these things. It's not enough for me just to wake up in the morning and think it. I need to figure it out for myself, and I did, and I know now, and I can sleep at night and know that. So I am going to, like I've already said, I'm going to attack this next chapter of my life with just with ferocity and just be my best self, and I cannot wait. Yeah, let's get after it.